to protect the gains. What gains are we going to protect when we are poor, we have nothing to eat? We please request you humbly to please consider these men, consider these women. Mr. President, this goes to all the leaders, those who are contesting to be leaders and those who want to be leaders and those who are leaders. Let us follow our motto as the country, for God and my country. For God and my country. Because when we do it for God, we do it well. And when we do it for our country, we do it together. Mr. President, we fought COVID-19. We contained the disease in Uganda. Why? Because there was no member of parliament flying to India. Because there was no anyone flying outside. If we build the hospitals, if we build the schools, if we build all these beautiful things, we shall achieve. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Our fathers and grandfathers tell us the stories of what happened in the country. And I must say that our weak hearts wouldn't hold what is told to us. You fought, sacrificed, and endeavored that all of us grow strong and educated through peace and tranquility. Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam yagamba, man asbaha minkum aminan fi sirbihi. Yenna kera kumachanga toina security threat. Mu'afan fi jasadihi ng'omubiri gwo gukola bulungi. Indahu qutu yawmihi ng'oyina ky'ogenda okulya olunaku olwo. Fakaannama hizat lahu dunya bihadhafiriha. Katonda aba akukuŋŋaanyirizaako obulungi bw'ensi yonna ng'obuyina. Nkakasa ffenna tusobola okukkiriza nti ebyo ebintu bisatu tubiina.
Kambasomere categories. Abeepankapankira wano nti mu protecting against and you're making noise. Kambasomere categories. I will read it until you feel it. If you're here and pay school fees in installments, you have no gains to protect. Soko sirikeko. Calm down and stop making noise for us. Okay? Stop making noise for us. If you're here, your children are in USE, UPE. Calm down. Stop making noise. If you're here, you still go to government hospitals for malaria treatment. Calm down. Don't make noise for us. Okay? Olimkwete kamubalangira. Toli mulangira. Ochina yo mulimu gw'amaanyi ogw'okukola. Okitegedde. We are not saying Bobi Wine is coming to give us handouts. Bobi Wine is coming to give us an opportunity that is free and fair to compete for merit. Buli omu aleete amagezi ge g'alina okusoma kwe kwalina obumalirivu bwe n'omwana wa senior 4 asobola okukola ng'alina skills mu ngalo. Why do we have a university graduate? People are going back for masters before they even understand what to do. They are already considering masters because they are hiding away from the fact that they have to job hunt. Do you know how many parents are struggling paying for masters? Omwana nasigala nga adibidde ku lujja. The family unit is all broken. We have so many single mothers and nobody is addressing that. We have urban poverty. Nobody is addressing urban poverty. Abamu kumwe fridge zamwe ziri empty zafuuka kintu kya ku decorating a deal. That's urban poverty. Ate muli wano namwe nti mwagala simanyi protecting the gains. Jangu. Uliriza. If you're here and you finish your salary in the first week, Ulikechizibu, stop making noise and calm down. Think about yourself first. Balibo weteka mokufuko mulangira. They have even money under their bags, under their beds and everything. Stop making noise. If you're here, you drive cars looking at your fuel gauge. Gundigwe, by the middle of the month, week 2, you even park the car. Sit down and calm down. Stop making noise for us. You are polluting the environment, okay? You're polluting the environment for us. Stop it. Think about yourself. Think about yourself. If you're here, you're worried about school fees. February is coming. You've started making calls. calling people who are in the diaspora, calling your neighbors, calling everybody. Ebibina, you're not supposed to be getting money this month, Mchibina, but you're busy calling the Chibina secretary. Message. Gwe. You have no gains to protect Mkwano. Kubanga, you even would have had financial literacy by now. If you had gains to protect, you would have had an opportunity to understand financial literacy. Okay? Calm down. Listen, if you're here, you're worried about medical fees or medical bills, or you are putting for us buka wash over 5 million. You sit down and calm down. Okay? This week, think about yourself first. Tamuddamu kulowooza ku muntu yenna soka weerowoozeeko nga ggwe kino ekintu kyennyingira nkifuniramu wa okitegedde nkifuniramu wa ekintu kino kyennyingiramu. You're here and then you worry about transport. How will my children go to work? How am I going to go to work? The data, you people, have you used data back home? I would rather feed a child than feeding the phone. Era, I respect everybody. I respect everybody back home. Bantu mwe muli bazira. Nze data we Uganda yantabula. Anchankalanyi. Mwera likira each time I'm going at home, I get so worried. I'm like, why is it so hard for the internet back home to be available for everyone? Kati amasanyalazi, some people live off electricity as business, as a form of income. When there is no electricity, that means they have not earned. Atenga feba nanyini ku exporting amasanyalazi, buli wamu wonna. Is that right? And you're here making noise for us. Protecting gains. Amasanyalazi gatufukidde ekizibu. Amazzi. My friend the other day was telling me amazzi bagongezeza oba unity eri kumeka ne ngamba wanji fa abalina amazzi gano gonna. What is so high about water? Mbanti masanyalazi. Anti ebibuga abantu beeyongedde. Kabantu beeyongedde amazzi go tegeeyongedde. Gatuga tetunagamalamu. Choka they bring tax over tax. If you're here, your children are unemployed. You are still feeding them. You are giving them kosi. You are hiding away from the reality. One ali 26, 25. Kati wanga antudde mu mutwe. Ali 25. 25 antuddeko. Bulungi bwati. Atenge kimuntuzizaako. The system which she was studied. The system in which she has gone to school. Batudde ku license ye. Bagala nguzi oba kumwebakako. Tetugambe kyo tekijja kusoboka. Not under my watch. Kati oli wano tuwoganira protecting the gains. Nene mwasame. Mukwano. Osula olowooza ku school fees. Otyana okuzaala abaana. Some of you have refused to give birth to children. Kubanga embeera gy'ondabamu nkakaaluka nanze mukulu wo. Neighbor ali mu kubonaabona. Maama wo ali wali akutuddeko. The elderly, why are they not all getting money?